गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हैं आप सभी लोग? आई होप यू ऑल आर गुड ना. हाँ, टुडे अगेन आई एम इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू विद old topic that was the past adjustment that comes under your chapter number 1, fundamental of partnership. Clear? Now today we will start from the beginning with the past adjustment. Actually, what is the past adjustment? You or your accountant had done a mistake in past, right? Now, तो उसने जो गलतियां करी हैं, that was in your partnership deed. Suppose that he distributed wrongly profit, he did not show that amount, that is called interest on capital, and salary to any partner, commission to any partner, or he did not write in the credit side, that is the interest on drawings. Right now, on the behalf of that fault, you are just going to face some problem. You have to remove that problem. To remove that problem, you will pass one adjusting entry, because it is very difficult to cut the figures and to use, that is called the whitener, right? It is very difficult, because if you will use whitener, you will cut your figures, so some other person can do that work, and what it will be called fraud, right? Now, okay, now this is called past adjustment. In class 11th हम लोगों ने एक चैप्टर पढ़ा था, that was the rectification of errors, right? Now that was the rectification of errors, right? Now, like that we have to pass the adjustment entry for your mistake, whatever you have done in past, right? Now you have to adjust it. Clear? Now I am taking very easy, very we will start from the beginning. I am taking very easy problem, right? Now I am giving the question. Now the question says, there are two partners, X and Y. They are two partners, right? Now on 1st April 2018, their capitals were X and Y were partners. Capital of X was 6 lakh rupees, and the capital of Y was rupees 4 lakh. It was rupees 6 lakh, it is rupees 4 lakh, right? And after that, in question, in partnership, the question says interest on capital is 10% per annum, right? And on 31st of March 2019, the profit of the firm is rupees 4 lakh. How much? Rupees 4 lakh. Clear? Now again, question, check your question. There are two partners, X and Y. On 1st April 2018, their capitals were rupees 6 lakh and 4 lakh. In the partnership, the question says interest on capital is 10% per annum. On 31st March 2019, the profit of the firm is rupees 4 lakh. Clear? And profit sharing ratio is equal to, that is 3:2. That is 3:2. But now this is the question. इसी क्वेश्चन से हम लोग बहुत कुछ करने का ट्राई करेंगे. Now the first point, suppose that this point is not given in the question. This point is not given in the partnership deed. Interest on capital is 10% per annum is not given in the question. Simply we have a profit of rupees 4 lakh at the end of the year, right? Now, and according to the partnership deed, we have to distribute this amount in ratio 3:2, right? But the wrongly work or wrongly treatment has been done by your accountant, that is he distributed that amount, that is the profit, or rupees 4 lakh in equal ratio. Are you getting it now? Okay, now this point is not given. This is the point number 1, this is the point number 2, this is the point number 3, this is the point number 4. Point number 2 is not given in first case, and the case is saying कि ₹4 lakh, that is the profit at the end of the year, not distributed in the given ratio 3:2. The accountant had distributed that amount in ratio of what, 1:1. Now suppose that, to check or to clarification, because it is concept building question, so what we will do, we will prepare two, or we will directly we can do it now, simple. Now we will write the particular there are two partners X and Y. This is X, this is Y. It is particular, and whatever he has done wrong we will write firstly. Now wrongly divisible profit distributed in ratio of 1:1. 4 lakh is the profit, 4 lakh is the profit, and he distributed that amount in equal ratio. That means what, ₹2 lakh will get Mr. X and ₹2 lakh will get Mr. Y. Now that means the capital account of X and Y will be increased by ₹2 lakh. But actually what he has to do करना है उसको, उसने क्या किया वो देखना है. Now correct distribution of divisible profit should be in ratio of 3:2. That means now we will distribute this amount 4 lakh in ratio of 3:2. Simply what X will get? X will get 2,40,000 rupees, and we will get Y will get ₹1,60,000. That means what? The question is simply saying now कि in place of ₹2,40,000, X got ₹2 lakh only. That means what, his profit part is less by ₹40,000, and what Mr. Y has to receive ₹1,60,000, but he has received ₹2 lakh. That means एक आदमी 40,000 रुपीज ज्यादा रिसीव कर रहा है और एक आदमी 40,000 रुपीज कम रिसीव कर रहा है. Now on the behalf of this chart we have to pass journal entry, that is the adjusted journal entry. What we will do now, simply we will take Mr. X will get ₹40,000 and Mr. Y will give ₹40,000 to Mr. X. Now what we will do, at the time of giving that amount to Mr. Y, he was debited, but now he has to return it. और इसको क्या करना पड़ेगा, क्रेडिट करना पड़ेगा. और मैं कह सकता हूँ सिंपल कि नॉर्मल रूल जो होता है हमारा ट्रेडिशनल रूल, उसमें कहते हैं रिसीवर शुड बी डेबिटेड, गिवर शुड बी क्रेडिटेड. कहते हैं ना, बट यहाँ पर जस्ट अपोजिट होगा. रिसीवर शुड बी क्रेडिटेड एंड गिवर शुड बी डेबिटेड. इट विल बी जस्ट अपोजिट. सो वी विल पास adjustment entry we will pass Y's capital account debit to Y's capital account debit to X capital account by ₹40. What Y will do? Y will take out ₹40,000 from his account and transfer to Mr. X account, and it will be Y debit to X, Y capital debit to X capital account. This is the point number 1. Now the point number 2 says, what the point number 2 says, Just I'm going to tell you what in point number 2 the question says, बात को समझिएगा. इन पॉइंट नंबर 2 क्वेश्चन सेज, कॉपी कर लीजिएगा इसको. देन आई विल स्टार्ट सेकंड पॉइंट एंड टेलिंग सेकंड पॉइंट यू कि द अकाउंटेंट had used this point also in the question, but again he distributed the profit part what in 1:1 ratio, in the ratio 1:1. उसने कुछ तो गलती करी है, उसने मिस्टर अकाउंटेंट ने. उसने क्या किया, उसने इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल तो दिया किसको, पार्टनर को, बट उसने फिर से बचा हुआ डिविजिबल प्रॉफिट का अमाउंट फिर से 3:2 के रेशियो में ना डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करते हुए 1:1 के रेशियो में ही डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर दिया. तो व्हाट वी विल डू नाउ वी विल डू अगेन सेकेंड पॉइंट. द अकाउंटेंट हैज गिवन interest to the partner, interest on capital to the partner, but whatever the rest amount as divisible profit he distributed wrongly in ratio 1:1. Whatever the accountant is doing wrong, that is related to your only partnership deed, that is related to your partnership deed. I am giving you first we will prepare, that is called partners profit and loss appropriation. One will be your, it is what it is called your concept PLD class. So we will prepare, one is wrong PL appropriation, one we will prepare what that is called right. Now सुनिएगा guys, we will write first in the credit side as per the rule by profit and loss account. We will write profit part, that is 4 lakh in the credit side, right? We will write 4 lakh rupees in the credit side. Then what we will do, we will write interest in the debit side to interest on capital colon dash, there are two partners x and y, x capital and y capital. Now we will take 10% of 6 lakh, that will be 60,000 rupees. We will take 10% of 4 lakh, that will be 40,000 rupees. That means 1 lakh rupees what is as now interest on capital. Now we will take out the balance. Credit side 4 lakh rupees. We will write here 4 lakh rupees and we will take out the balance, which will be 3 lakh. We will write over here 2 divisible profit, and as per the system, as per the rule, we have to distribute this amount among the partners x and y, x capital and y capital. We will distribute rupees 3 lakh in ratio 3:2. ठीक है, and as per that 1,80,000 received by Mr. It is correct. Appropriation account. We have to distribute in ratio 3:2. We are distributing it, right? And we will get rupees 1,20,000. This is correct. This is correct PL appropriation. Not just going to prepare wrong PL appropriation account. What we will do now? We will write in debit side. This is PL appropriation account. Profit and loss appropriation account. Now we will write to interest on capital colon dash x capital y capital. X is getting 60,000 as interest on capital, y is getting 40,000 rupees, total is 1 lakh. After that what we will do, we will write in the credit side by PL, and I will write over here 4 lakh rupees, and I will get what, 2 divisible profit colon dash x capital and y capital. Now 3 lakh rupees will be here as profit, but this time he will distribute in equal ratio, that means 1,50,000 for Mr. X and 1,50,000 from Mr. Y. Any problem? I think there will be no problem. तो अल्टीमेट अगर मैं आपसे बात बोलूं कि अगर मैं एक बात बोलूं कि अगर मैं यहाँ पर आपको करेक्ट करने के लिए फिर से एक बार बनाना शुरू करता हूँ, क्या चीज, दैट इज कॉल्ड रेक्टिफिकेशन के लिए, बट एक ना एडजस्टमेंट के लिए एक चीज। तो हाउ वी विल डू नाउ, आई एम शोइंग यू ओवर हियर, राइट नाउ दिस इज योर x and y part, this is particular x and y. Now I am telling you one thing, according to the correct PL appropriation, the capital account of x will be increased by 180 and 60,000. Whenever you will prepare what that is called P partners capital account, you will write in the credit side interest on capital amount and divisible profit amount. That means what, the capital of x will be increased by rupees 2,40,000 rupees. That means simply the question is saying, if you will prepare correct PL appropriation in that condition, right now he will get rupees 2,40,000 rupees, and y will get rupees 1,60,000 because we have to add these two amounts, right? The cap right now x will get rupees 2,40,000, y will get rupees 1,60,000. But wrongly we are preparing. This is the correct. This is correct, and this is wrong. Now, if you are doing wrong, in that condition, is x is getting 2,10,000 and y is getting 1,90,000. So firstly, we will write that thing that is wrong. So we will write what, interest on capital. X will get 60,000, wrong we are taking, 60,000 rupees as interest on capital, and y is getting 40,000 rupees as interest on capital. Now we will write divisible profit. It is wrong part. That means x is getting 1,50,000 rupees and y is getting 1,50,000 rupees. That means the total capital increased by, in reality increased by rupees 2,10,000, and it will be 1,90,000. This is right now, this is the wrong process. गलती से कितने से इंक्रीज हो रही कैपिटल, ही x is getting 2,10,000, y is getting 1,90,000. But it should be what it should be? It should be interest on, it is correct now, interest on capital getting by Mr. X 60,000 rupees and Y 40,000. It is reality. And now in reality he is getting 1,80,000 divisible profit. He should get 1,80,000 as from the profit part and 1,20,000 for Mr. Y. That means अगर मैं कैलकुलेशन करूँ तो he is getting 2 lakh, should get 240 and he should get 1,60,000. गलती से इनको मिलना चाहिए था 2,40,000 rupees, but he is getting 2,10,000. That means 30,000 rupees short amount x को मिल रही है, and y has to get rupees 1,60,000, but what he got rupees 1,90,000. That means y के पास 30,000 rupees ज़्यादा है और x के पास 30,000 rupees कम है. तो what, इसके पास ज़्यादा होगा वो रिटर्न करेगा, इसके पास कम है वो क्या करेगा, उसको रिसीव करेगा, राइट ना. तो इस कंडीशन में x के पास पैसा कम है, y के पास पैसा ज़्यादा है. इन पास एडजस्टमेंट गिवर शुड बी डेबिटेड. तो किसको डेबिट करेंगे, y को डेबिट करेंगे. एंट्री विल बी योर Y's capital account debit is adjusting entry. Y capital account debit to X capital account by rupees 30,000. It is the adjustment entry. तो इसको इस तरह करने से हमें कहीं पर भी किसी भी तरह क्या करना नहीं पड़ेगा, कहीं पर भी वाइटनर करने की जरूरत नहीं है, कहीं पर भी फिगर्स को कट करने की जरूरत नहीं है. इट इज़ योर रफ वर्क, इट इज़ बिकॉज इट इज़ व्हाट बिल्डिंग कॉन्सेप्ट बिल्डिंग क्लास. तो ये तो रफ वर्क है टू क्लियर यू व्हाट वी हैव टू डू एक्चुअली और कैसे होता है ये. इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट राइट नाउ. सो इट इज़ व्हाट योर एक्चुअल calculation, and on the behalf of that we will pass entry Y capital account debit to X capital right now. Thank you. ये पॉइंट नंबर हमारा 2 था, राइट. देयर वाज नो प्रॉब्लम फॉर एनीवन, राइट ना. नाउ इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो कंटिन्यू रखेंगे हम फिर से अपना कॉन्सेप्ट बिल्डिंग क्लासेस का सेकेंड पार्ट. पास एडजस्टमेंट ही चलेगा बिकॉज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट फॉर योर काउंसिल एग्जामिनेशन. टिल देन बाय बाय, थैंक यू.